In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Indeed account permanently. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, whether you're looking to take a break from job searching or maybe you found a new opportunity that you love, deleting your Indeed account is a pretty straightforward process. So if you're sure that you want to proceed, let me guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Indeed website. Make sure you're signed in to the account that you wish to delete. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll see your profile in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and then select Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, let's move to the crucial part, deleting your account. In the Account Settings section, look for something labeled Account Preferences. Click there, and you should see an option that says Delete Account. Go ahead and click on that to initiate the process. You should see a message confirming that you're about to delete your account, along with a few notes about what this means. It's always a good idea to read through this information carefully. This may include details like how your profile will be removed from searches and the fact that you won't be able to reactivate your account later. So, take a moment to consider your decision carefully here, because once it's gone, it's gone. Assuming you're completely sure about it, you'll need to confirm that you want to delete your account. You might be asked to provide some reason for why you're leaving. Select the option that best fits your situation and proceed. After this step, you should receive a final confirmation pop-up. This is essentially your last chance to reevaluate your choice. If you're ready to proceed, click on that final confirmation button to go ahead and delete your account. Now, it may take just a little while for the account deletion to be processed. You might receive a confirmation email indicating that your account has been deleted successfully. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a little time for the servers to update. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Indeed account. You've taken control over your online presence, and if your job search leads you back to Indeed in the future, you'll always have the option to set up a new account. If you think you might want to consider a different platform in the future, it's worth researching your options. There are plenty of job sites that cater to various industries, and knowing what's out there can be beneficial. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more instructional content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, good luck with